Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan, and in this video I'm going to be swatching some mauve nude lipsticks as per your request from my previous lipstick swatch video that was brown lipsticks. So I'm just doing this as a series of lipstick shades so that it's easy for you to narrow down, and most of these are affordable products because that's what a lot of people are interested in watching. So I've already filmed the entire video and then realized I haven't even pressed record. This is the reason I always look at the monitor, you guys. A lot of people have a big issue when I look at the monitor, and the reason I do that is because of things like this. So anyways, the first shade we have is called Nude Queen from Rufa Beauty. This is what it looks like. And then I have LoveChild by Masaba Melting Mocha, which is a beautiful light mauve brown shade. And then from Swiss Beauty Select Dare to Matte Lipstick, I have the shade called Toasted Brown, which is a beautiful nude, and I love the formulation of this. It doesn't exaggerate any dry patches, lines, nothing of that sort. It just feels super comfortable and looks luxe on the lips. And then my go-to like mauve nude kind of a shade is Nude Nuance. This is more wearable and not as great as the previous Nude Nuance. Also from Maybelline, we have the shade called More Mocha, which is beautiful. Slightly deeper and a more matte version of Nude Nuance in my opinion. And then from Blue Heaven, I have the shade called Chocolate Martini, which is a beautiful nude. It is like a pale mauve pink kind of a shade. It's very beautiful. The formulation is not transfer proof, but extremely comfortable on the lips. Also from this same range, I have Cocoa Addict, which is slightly deeper than that shade and a little bit more pretty. And then from Swiss Beauty, I have the shade called Truly Brown. Such a beautiful wearable mauve brown nude kind of a shade. And then from Mars, I have the shade called Trendsetter. The unblended swatch of this shade looks like a brown shade, but once you blend the pigments together, it's a mauve brown for sure. And it's very wearable, very flattering. It doesn't wash you out. And then from inside, I have the shade called Mocha Sprinkles. Beautiful deep mauve shade, very flattering on deeper skin tones. And then from Typsy Beauty, we have Mocha Mauve Deep, a beautiful mauve shade again. This is a little bit more purple looking than Insight. And then I have Coffee Break from Blue Heaven. If Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Medium had to be more wearable, it would be in this form. And then I have Mars Zesty Zumba, very wearable, beautiful shade for every single skin tone out there. You can wear this without makeup, it doesn't wash you out. It has pink, it has mauve and slight brown tones to it as well. And then I have Mars Brown Sugar. This is a pale mauve brown nude kind of a shade. And then we have Stace Short of Baileys. Last but not the least, Maybelline Velvet Choker. For a lip tint from NYX, I have Mocha Me Wet. It has the right balance of brown and mauve. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Do let me know if you want to watch more such videos in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.